There is an uneven wall. There are two corners. Make them nice and smooth. I'll lay down the paper. First, prepare the wall with a hammer. I break off big pieces. You need a primer and a roller. You can use a brush. I paint the wall well. In the corners it is better to use a brush. I take a galvanized profile. Sizes 25 centimeters and 60 centimeters. Another rectangular one is also possible. I measure the height from ceiling to floor. And I cut off such a piece of a galvanized rectangular profile. Read. Now you need to install it correctly. You can use a building level for the vertical line and a carpenter's square. I have a laser level. It's easier with it. I direct the beam at the wall. Set the carpenter's square perpendicular to the side wall. The level lies for better positioning of the laser beam. The beam must be parallel. If there is a beam on the side wall, then you need to move all the tools away from the wall. The laser level is also turned away from the wall. Watch as the light moves away from the wall. The beam must pass perpendicular to the wall, and it doesn't show up on it. Perfect. I control. I lean the galvanized profile against the corner of the wall. The laser beam must pass along the corner of the galvanized profile. I make a note of its location. I will need a puncher and some small dowels with screws. I put the galvanized profile in the right place, and I make holes right through the metal. I hammer the dowel and fix it with a screw. I take out the trash. It's nice to work clean. On the other hand, the laser beam should shine on the line of the galvanized profile, which is already nailed to the wall, and also should not shine on the wall. I'm posting another part of profile. I repeat the same steps. Now the wall is ready for further work. I check that nothing interferes. I close the gap near the floor covering with foam and tape. Water. Plaster. Everything is simple. I have gypsum plaster. Mix well with water and you're done. I take several spatulas of different sizes. I put a little plaster on the wall. Urine tool with water. I align. I take a rail for plaster and level it. So several times, until the wall is very flat. More plaster is needed here. Seems like it already happened. Fine. Almost. The plaster has dried a little, but not completely yet. I have such a tool made of hard foam. Moisten with water and rub on the wall in a circular motion. I level with a wide spatula. A layer of plaster is removed from the wall. I continue. The wall will be very even and smooth. You can glue the wallpaper and even paint. Perfect. I take profiles. It turned out to be an even angle. On the other hand too. Here another wall is not even yet. I will do it later. But the angle is even here. You need to carefully remove the edge. I take a grid with an abrasive. I level with light movements. And I level the attachment points of the galvanized profile with plaster. Now the job is done. What is your opinion?